एंजल चाकमा, एक नाम जो आज पूरे दिन सोशल मीडिया पर छाया हुआ था। एन एमबीए स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा जो शिकार होता है रेशियल अटैक का ऑन December 9 इन देहरादून एंड डाइड ड्यू टू हिज इंजरीज ऑन December 28. But do you think this is a very first attack on any Northeast Indians? No, my dear. On January 29, 2014, Nido Tania was maltreated to death in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi on ground that he looked dissimilar from typical Indians. In 2016, two bachelors from Mizoram were abused severely in Bangalore for not using the local language for communication. Two Naga students had been abused for hours by local men of Gurgaon on the ground that they do not belong there. They stated, if you Northeast people come here, we will kill you. And abhi to we are not even talking about COVID-19. At times when the solidarity is needed, but it was a time when the Northeast Indian experienced discrimination. They were treated as foreigners in their own homeland. There are many of them who resided outside the Northeast region due to employment, education and other reasons. They were evicted from their residence and fled due to their appearance. Are you from China? Is a common question that has been asked of them. They have been denied entrances into various public places and they are forcibly led to quarantine themselves all day they show no symptoms of virus. Dorji, a cancer patient who resided in the Mulund Society in Mumbai, was denied entrance by the security officer fearing that he might be contaminated with the disease. This happened due to his appearance. भाई याद दिला देती हूँ, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में 8 स्टेट आते हैं: अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, सिक्किम एंड त्रिपुरा. And these people from this side of Northeast India look a bit different from what we people assume that how Indians look. But they are not less Indians. थोड़ा अवेयर हो जाओ और अपने साथ वालों को जाके भी थोड़ा अवेयर कर दो ताकि ये जो रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है वो थोड़ा रुक पाए.